Welcome to SIGVARIS Optiform Flat Knit made-to-measure hosiery. The following videos will help to guide you through the measuring process. Below knee. The following measurements are required for A to D garments or below knee. We will start by measuring the foot. This section will include measuring the length for both open and closed toe. It will also include the circumference measurement for the foot at the base of the toes. LA. This is a length measurement taken from the heel to the base of the big toe and is required for both open and closed toe garments. CA. The circumference measurement which is taken around the foot at the base of the toes. Application tension is used to take this measurement. Ask the patient to put pressure on the ball of the foot so that the foot spreads. This will provide a more comfortable fit at the base of the toes. LZ. The length from the heel to the end of the large toe. This is for closed toe. A better fit of the toes may be obtained if the measurement is taken a couple of millimeters above the tip of the toe. The next two measurements are required for a slant toe option. For slant open toe option, we only require S1 and S2 measurements. You do not need to supply a separate A measurement because S1 is the same point as LA. However, for slant closed toe option, we also require Z. LS1. This is the length from the heel to the base of the big toe, inside the foot. LS2. This is the length from the heel to the base of the little toe, outside the foot. The next section will show the heel measurements required. CY. This is the circumference diagonally around the heel and over the dorsum of the ankle with the patient's foot in dorsiflexion. Measure using application tension. LA1. This is the length of the foot from the heel to the point vertically below Y. LA2. This is the length of the foot from the ground to the center of the ankle bone or malleolus. CA1. This is the circumference around the foot vertically at Y. Use the application tension when measuring. CA2. The circumference horizontally around the ankle at the center of the malleolus or ankle bone. Use application tension when measuring. Below knee. The following measurements are required for A to D garments or below knee. Length measurements are taken vertically from the floor and do not follow the contour of the limb. B. This is measured at the narrowest point, or approximately 2 centimeters above the malleolus or ankle bone. Mark the leg and record the length measurement from the floor to this point. The circumference measurement is taken with first resistance tension. B1. This is measured at the point where the calf begins. This is where there is change in shape at the base of the calf. Mark the leg and record the length measurement from the floor to this point. The circumference measurement is taken with full tension. C. This is measured at the widest part of the calf. Mark the leg and record the length measurement from the floor to this point. The circumference measurement is taken with full tension. D. This is measured at the fibular head, or approximately 2 finger widths below the popliteal crease, the back of the knee. Mark the leg and record the length measurement from the floor to this point. The circumference is measured with first resistance tension. If tissues are very soft, the tension may need to be increased to obtain a more accurate fit.